Hello everyone here and welcome to my new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Stardust tutorial particle background. Let's go! First, new composition. Make it Full HD, press OK. Layer, new, solid, and press OK. Go to Effects and Presets and Stardust. Go to emitter type, change point to grade and make a speed 0. Go to X size and make it 3000 and size Y make it 0 and Z make it 3000 and half. Now go to grade properties and make grade X maybe 200 and Y make it 1 and Z 150. Layer new camera and press OK. X, Y and move it down like this. Okay, now go to particle properties and make size 2. Yes, like this. Again, go to camera, track Z tools. Yeah, and like this. Yes, and maybe like yes. Okay. Now go to live, make it 10. Okay, now choose turbulence. Okay, turbulence, go to turbulence and we will go to position offset, make it 200, maybe 200, yes, and scale noise like this. Okay, also okay, noise levels make it 2. Okay, now go to emitter again and we will change speed. Now change speed to 4. Yes, also speed random make it 20 and speed over life make it like this. Okay, go to turbulence and we will go to fractal speed and change it to maybe 1.5. Okay, 1.5 like this. Yes. Also opposite. Yes, much better. Yes. Okay. Now go to camera and to views, horizontal, and go to the press P for position and first frame. Yes, and last frame. Go to change Z position like this. Change Z position like this. Yes, like this. Again, go to particles and change color. Choose any color you want. I like this color. Again, emitter and emitter speed, maybe 5. Okay, again, turbulence and position offset, maybe 400. Yes. Okay, now Control D to copy and close this now. Okay, now go to emitter and change grade to box. Yes. And now go to size Y and change size like this, maybe 1000, also X 1000, and the same. Yes. Okay, like this. Okay. Again, go to emitter and particle per second, change to 1000. Yes. Okay, very good. Now go and make pre-compose like this. Yes. Okay. Now it looks good. Go to effect, stylize and glow. Okay, change it like 80 and 6. Yes. Okay, Control D and change like maybe okay 90 and radius maybe 50. Yes. Yes. Yes, like this. Okay. Okay. Now go to effect, color, and choose curves like this, and alpha, make it yes. Okay. Yes, like this. Also go to stylize and glow, Control D for glow. Yes. And effect, color, and curves. Change like this. Yes, also alpha, like this. Yes. Yes. Now layer, new solid. Sorry. Okay. Layer, new solid, and background. Press OK. Go to effects and presets and choose gradient trim. Yes. Change linear to radial and put it in the middle. Choose any color you want. I make like this, dark green. Press OK, and also green one. Yes, like this. And here we go. I hope to enjoy, and if you like, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.